We get a lot of questions about sizes and what's the difference between the Dude and the Urban Cowboy, so we're gonna figure out what that is. So the Dude at 35 pounds is not that heavy, but also not that light. It is super burly. It's gonna last a lifetime, but it's easy to move. The Urban Cowboy at 75 pounds is a little bit more of an effort. You don't want to walk in sand very far with this, but the difference in sizes is astonishing. So the other major difference between the Urban Cowboy and the Dude are the internal components. The charcoal grate on the Urban Cowboy is two pieces. The first one is made out of solid 1/2 inch square steel bar, and the second piece is made out of what's called expanded metal. It's two pieces for a reason. The heat in a Urban Cowboy will be hot enough that it will actually make those 1/2 inch bars sag over time. You're going to want to be able to flip that over occasionally. If it starts to sag, turn it over so it doesn't get too far off. They're also going to warp at different rates, and so having them separated makes that occur, lets that occur without any troubles. Then the other major difference with the Urban Cowboy is the grill. And the grill is truss reinforced and double hinged. And I'm super proud of them. I think this is the either 8th or the 9th design iteration of the grill for the Cowboy Cauldron, but they're perfect. When you put a grill on a Cowboy Cauldron, don't do it this way, do it this way. And now you can see why. So you've got a 40, 20, 40% split on these grills. So at any time if you've got a whole bunch of stuff that's cooking and you need to get under to add wood, to move heat around, or for any other reason, you can easily slide things over and open this up. It's also really key to be able to take the charcoal grate out without having to take whatever you're cooking off of the grill. So another thing I'd like to do is show you the difference between the Dude and the Urban Cowboy in terms of what it's like to build a fire and what kind of capacity they have. So these are sticks and they fit in the Dude. These are medium-sized logs and they fit in the Dude. This is a bigger log and it too easily fits in the Dude. This, on the other hand, is a much larger log and it fits, but it really fits in that one.